Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, dividing a document using the slice feature. When you're managing a large project with a tight deadline, a single translator might not be able to handle it alone. With the slice feature, you can divide your document into multiple parts and assign each to a different translator. To slice a document, right-click on it in the Translations pane and select Slice. In the Slice document window, choose your unit of measurement, word, segments, or characters. Then enter the number of equal parts and click Calculate Ranges. You'll see the ranges listed with segment counts, word counts, and percentages. If needed, you can further adjust ranges using the free options at the bottom. For example, based on the availability of your linguist, use the Shrink Grow option to make one slice bigger or smaller. Click OK to apply the slicing. Each slice now appears as a sub-item under the main document. If you need to readjust the slices, right-click on the main document, click on Reconsolidate, and start again. Now, assign each slice to a different translator. Multiple translators can now work in parallel on the same document, each focusing on their assigned slice. A reviewer can start reviewing a completed slice while other translators are still working on theirs. You can choose to assign all slices to the same reviewer. Thank you for watching.